We live in an age of extraordinary innovation, where the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world, reshaping industries and redefining the way we live and work. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets with precision to personalized medicine tailored to individual needs, AI promises a future filled with endless possibilities. It has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, offering solutions that were once thought to be out of reach. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy, enabling breakthroughs in various fields. This technology is already revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, making processes more efficient and outcomes more predictable. However, amidst the excitement and rapid advancements, it is crucial to consider the full implications of AI, both positive and negative. While its benefits are widely celebrated, there are hidden costs that often go unnoticed, such as privacy concerns and job displacement. These costs are not always immediately apparent but have far-reaching consequences for our economy, society, and environment, affecting the very fabric of our daily lives. We must acknowledge and address these challenges to ensure that the development and deployment of AI are both ethical and sustainable, fostering a future where technology serves humanity's best interests. One of the most significant hidden costs of AI is its potential impact on the job market. As AI continues to evolve, it brings with it a wave of change that can be both exciting and daunting. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans. This means that many routine and repetitive tasks can now be done more efficiently by machines. This automation can lead to job displacement across various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service. Workers who once performed these tasks may find themselves out of work, facing an uncertain future. While some argue that AI will create new jobs, these jobs may require different skills and training, leaving many workers behind. The transition to a more AI-driven economy demands a workforce that is adaptable and willing to learn new skills. The economic benefits of AI are not evenly distributed. While some regions and industries may thrive, others may struggle to keep up with the rapid pace of technological advancement. The development and deployment of AI are often concentrated in the hands of a few powerful tech companies. These companies have the resources to invest heavily in AI research and development, further solidifying their dominance in the market. This concentration of wealth and resources can exacerbate existing economic inequalities, creating a divide between those who benefit from AI and those who are left behind. As we move forward, it is crucial to address these disparities to ensure a more equitable future for all. The development and operation of AI systems have a significant environmental impact. Training complex AI models require enormous amounts of energy, contributing to carbon emissions and climate change. Moreover, the production of AI hardware, such as chips and servers, generates a substantial amount of electronic waste, which contains hazardous materials that can pollute our soil and water. As AI becomes more pervasive, its environmental footprint is likely to grow. It is essential to develop more energy-efficient AI algorithms and hardware to mitigate these environmental costs. Recycling and responsible disposal of AI hardware are also crucial to minimize electronic waste. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data is collected from various sources, including our online activities, social media interactions, and even our physical movements tracked by smart devices. This extensive data collection can raise significant privacy concerns. Individuals may not always be aware of how much of their personal information is being gathered, stored, and analyzed. From facial recognition software to social media algorithms, AI is increasingly used to track and analyze our online and offline behavior. These technologies can create detailed profiles of individuals, predicting their preferences, habits, and even future actions. This constant surveillance can erode our privacy and civil liberties. People may feel like they are always being watched, leading to a chilling effect on free expression and behavior. The data collected by AI systems can be vulnerable to breaches and misuse. Cybercriminals can exploit these vulnerabilities to access sensitive information, leading to severe consequences for individuals and organizations. If this data falls into the wrong hands, it can be used for identity theft, discrimination, or other malicious purposes. The impact of such breaches can be long-lasting and devastating, affecting victims' financial stability and personal lives. It is crucial to establish clear guidelines and regulations for data collection, storage, and use to protect individuals' privacy in the age of AI. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to ensure that the benefits of AI do not come at the cost of our fundamental rights and freedoms. The amplification of bias. AI systems are not inherently neutral. They are trained on data that reflects the biases present in our society. As a result, AI algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For instance, AI used in hiring decisions may discriminate against certain demographic groups if the training data reflects historical biases in the workplace. It's crucial to address bias in AI systems to ensure fairness and equity. This requires careful consideration of the data used to train AI algorithms, as well as ongoing monitoring and evaluation to identify and mitigate potential biases. The concentration of power. The development and deployment of AI are often concentrated in the hands of a few powerful tech companies. This concentration of power raises concerns about monopoly, lack of competition, and the potential for these companies to exert undue influence on society. It is important to foster a more diverse and competitive AI ecosystem to prevent the concentration of power. This can be achieved through policies that support startups and small businesses in the AI field and encourage collaboration between industry, academia, and government. The illusion of control. As AI systems become more complex, they can be challenging to understand and control. This lack of transparency and accountability can have unforeseen consequences. For example, an AI system designed to optimize traffic flow might inadvertently prioritize certain neighborhoods or demographics, leading to unintended social or economic disparities. It is essential to develop AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and accountable. Researchers and developers are working on techniques to make AI more interpretable, allowing humans to understand how AI systems arrive at their decisions. The devaluation of human skills. As AI takes over tasks previously performed by humans, there is a risk that certain human skills and expertise may become undervalued or even lost. For example, the reliance on AI for medical diagnoses could lead to a decline in the diagnostic skills of human doctors. It is essential to strike a balance between AI and human capabilities. We should leverage AI to augment human intelligence and efficiency, but not at the expense of devaluing human skills and expertise. The hidden costs, a summary. The hidden costs of AI are multifaceted and far-reaching. They encompass economic challenges such as job displacement and inequality, environmental concerns related to energy consumption and waste, social implications including privacy erosion and bias amplification, and ethical dilemmas surrounding control, accountability, and the devaluation of human skills. These costs are often interconnected and require a holistic approach to address them effectively. Ignoring these hidden costs could have severe consequences for our society and future. Navigating the path forward. Addressing the hidden costs of AI requires a multi-pronged approach involving governments, corporations, researchers, and individuals. We need to develop policies and regulations that promote responsible AI development and deployment while mitigating its potential downsides. Investing in education and training programs can help workers adapt to the changing job market and acquire the skills needed for the AI age. Promoting energy-efficient AI algorithms and hardware, along with responsible recycling practices, can minimize the environmental impact. A future shaped by awareness. Artificial intelligence holds immense promise for humanity, but we must proceed with caution and awareness. By acknowledging and addressing the hidden costs of AI, we can harness its power for good while mitigating its potential risks. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we are shaping with each decision we make. By making informed choices today, we can create a future where AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Let us strive to create a future where AI empowers us to solve our greatest challenges while preserving the values that make us human.